guess what I just got in the mail from eBay? Woo! Hipdot, the new palette from BoxyCharm, the Zion palette. So you get 15 shades, which it's pretty nice. I got this for like $10, and I am so excited. The shadows are beautiful. Purpley tones, pinks, oranges, little bit of everything in this palette. I'm so excited. And here are the colors that my phone picked out for me. Just a beautiful purple and orange look. I am excited. So yeah, I didn't get this in my BoxyCharm. They just gave me like a neutral palette, which is fine. I've been doing really nice looks with that other palette that I have, and I wanted, this palette and the other one, but my mom said I can borrow hers, if I can say that right. So I'm gonna go in with this orangey color because it's just gorgeous with a big, like medium-sized fluffy brush. I am so excited to use this palette. Hipdot is a really good brand because Marilyn bought the SpongeBob palette and I wanted that. So a year later I got the SpongeBob palette and I really love their shades. So to have BoxyCharm, have it for one of their variations of palettes, when you see no one wants their palette from BoxyCharm, you can easily get it from eBay for a really good deal because they didn't pay full price. And of course, they're gonna sell it not a full price. So this was like half off. Because it's $20 originally and I paid for 10, and look at how pigmented. Chris and Cassie, you really got a good palette. And then last night I was just like looking at BoxyCharm, what they have, and I seen one for $8.99. So Marilyn, if you could pick one up for yourself, this is good. And yeah, the orange shade is beautiful. I want to go in with this purple shade for like the outer portion of the crease. Yeah, this is a really good. Yeah, I want to do the matte purple. Is it Whisper? So I did Canyon and now Whisper. Very pigmented, very nice colors. Yeah, this is a really good palette. So if you got it in BoxyCharm and you love it, you really got a good palette. I'm excited to try my mom's palette next. I am like, her palette is gorgeous. That's what Marilyn's got, the Alamar palette. I'm like, $28 is kind of pricey, and you can buy it at Target, which is like, Target is expensive. I love going there though for like clearance. And then I want to go in with this purple, the shimmer, that is Surreal. I think that's what it says. To the outer portion. The shimmer purple. So yeah, I'm really excited to play around with this palette. And my mom, she's like, yeah, sure. I'm like, you serious? It's like, yeah, don't mind. So I'm like, okay, I might just add that into my phone so I could like, every time I want to use it or my phone picks it, it's there. So it's very pigmented, as you can see, so gorgeous. I'm really excited about this palette. I'm trying to hurry. I don't know why, but my phone's limited, so I'm trying to hurry on this, and that is really pretty. I'm gonna put the glitter stick kind of eye primer on. And then I'm gonna go into that light orangey shade, Virgin shade. I'm just going in with that. This seems like a topper shade, so I should have put the matte orange on first. Looks like I really packed this in. So I put this glitter glue on my eyes. It's like an off-brand. I bought it from China before this virus came. Like I bought it like I think last year or the beginning of last year. It's gotta be last year. And I don't think I'm gonna buy anything from China again. I can find like really good deals like around the US for things. I was just like being money stingy, like, oh, you can get it for like $1. And this literally was like $3, which I'm pretty sure the next one, it's not like that much either. I just couldn't find the next one where I live, so. And that is what it looks like. Wow. And then, did I use all the colors? No, the shimmer orange. So I am going to pick out something like this. I'm going underneath. Okay, Angel's Landing. So this is a really great palette. If you have it, yeah, it's really good. It's just going underneath the waterline, lower lashes, and I'm gonna go in back with this color with this, and going in my dear tuck, whatever. You know, the inner portion of your eye, duck tear or whatever. I don't know why it's called that, but it's weird. Then I'll put mascara and I'll be finished. So this is the Hipdot palette. And like, very good palette. Very pigmented, very beautiful. I tried to do this eyeliner. It accidentally gave me a wing here, so I had to kind of match it here. Terrible. The Huda Beauty eyeliners. These dual ones. I got this part underneath in my waterline, and of course twist on the upper. That is today's look. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tutorial. I really highly recommend this palette. I don't know why so many people want to sell this. This is really good. Even though I'm blue eyes, I shouldn't be wearing purple because I was told blue eyes don't wear, don't wear purple, you have blue eyes. But I think it's really gorgeous. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.